In today's video we're going to be looking at the tools that you use to shape your wax. So from the very cheapest, which are these dental tools, to the most expensive wax carving tools on the market currently, which are these precision wolf wax carvers. And I will share my thoughts on whether they're worth the money. Let's get into it. So what are wolf wax carvers? They're a set of hand tools developed by a jeweller for jewellers to carve wax. This is a set of 18. So they come like this. And basically, these tools allow you to shape and carve blocks of wax like this to turn into jewellery. So this is a ring I've been working on using these. So they come in sets of 6, 18 or a set of micro tools in the UK, and the largest set will set you back about £250 and the smaller sets are about £100, so for many people it is a considered purchase. Are they suitable for beginners? I think so, yes. And I recommend them actually for beginners over the standard dental tool, because like I said, these bad boys nearly put me off carving for life. So you can see the difference here. Standard dental tool. And there's a wolf wax carver. Okay, so I wanted to give you a demo of what each of the 18 tools do. So, this is number 1. And I mainly use this for outlining things when I'm tracing to get a design onto the wax. So that's what she does. Number 2, it's a nice flat chisel. I'm going to use that like this, just gently push and the wax curls up and away. It's great for getting rid of a bulk of wax if you need to, or creating angles. Number 3, again another chisel, this time with a angled head. You can make nice precise cuts with that. Number 4, a wee diamond headed chisel there. That's great for, that's great for hollowing things out. Number 5, it's a scoop. Use this for hollowing things out again, going around the inside of rings. Number 6, it's another scoop type end there, a little bit wider than number 5. Number 7 is a smaller version of number 3. So it's a smaller profile chisel. Nice angle on it there, nice and sharp. Number 8 is missing, can't find her at all, but she's another scoop. Number 9. This is a nice tool, nice and neat. Again, this does a nice, smooth scooping motion. Use it that way or use it that way if you've got something curved. Number 10. Another little flathead chisel. Number 11, diamond head chisel. Mainly used for. Number 12, this is my absolute favourite. So if you only want to test these tools, I would recommend number 12 all day, every day. There's not much you can't do. You can pare away straight lines, you can carve, you can make holes. Very sharp, lovely to use. So, right, number 13 and 14 are similar, so the only difference is the size of them. So number 13 is slightly smaller and you use it for taking the edges off so you can see the way that's very sharp. That was number 13, this is number 14, so it's just bigger. I shouldn't be cutting towards myself, that's silly, hold on. And that just gives the edges a nice smooth round shape. Number 15, very handy wee tool here. I don't know what you call it, but it's got like a square sort of profile on the end of it. Use that for digging into small areas. Number 16 is wicked sharp and it's a hook. Again, digging into very tiny areas. Very sharp tool. And number 17, a little scoop. 18 is a bigger version of number 9. Used for hollowing things out. So I'll pop them together in their pairs, let you see that. Okay, so here we have them all paired up. The main difference is size. So if you get the large set of 18, the one with the single band tends to be the smaller head size. So same tool, smaller head on this one. There's the red couple, so same tool, the chisel, smaller head on the single red one. If I had to just get a couple, I reckon it would be these ones, number 1, number 12, 15 and 16. What are the positives and what are the negatives? Let's start with the bad stuff. So the first bad thing, for me anyway, it's not the same for everybody, I think they're quite expensive. Certainly the 18 is a very considered purchase, so something to keep in mind. The second one, the numbers are painted on. I'd prefer that they were embossed like this so that you could feel it, because they are wearing off a wee bit. But that's a wee bit picky, but there you go. And positives. Okay, so the tool's a lovely weight in your hand, which for anybody that does intricate work, that's really important. It needs to feel like it's a good weight and that it's not burdensome on your wrist. And they aren't. Whereas the dental wax tools for me wear. Okay, the second one, they are very sharp, and after months of use I've not had to resharpen any of them, so that's good, sharp tool. And third one, if you get the big set, or even if you just pick and mix your own, there is a tool for every conceivable project, nook, cranny, straight line, curved line, whatever. So there's a tool for every job that I can think of. Are both colour coded and numbered for ease of use, so that when you're in the flow state you don't want to be interrupted hunting around your bench for a tool. You can easily just remember, you know, the colour or the number and grab what you need. The tools do come with a wee handy booklet there. When you buy a tool, you just want it to do the job that it's supposed to do, and these do. And that's really the takeaway from this video. They do what they say they're going to do. They're sharp. They have a huge variety of shapes to allow you to create whatever you like in wax. And they just work, which is an absolute relief, because I can't tell you how many tools I've bought that I have having to doctor in some way to make them do it. These just straight out of the box do what they said they're going to do. And that is enough to get a big thumbs up from me. I hope you found this useful. Consider giving it a wee thumbs up if it was, and stick around for more wax carving content. If you've any questions, drop them below and I'll do my best to answer them. And yeah, see you next week. Thanks for watching.